I'm Johan Hellström, and this is Magic Style Brush Pro from Björn Axén Tools. Magic Style Brush Pro comes with adjustable temperature, an ionic button, which means it gives your hair more shine and it takes away static electricity. It has a cord of 3 meters, and in case you forget to turn it off, it turns off by itself for safety. This is how I use it. It's very important that the hair is dry when you start. Take a small section, twist it, roll it up, and make sure that the heat goes through. Leave it for a few seconds, and then take it out. And to create longer lasting curls, pin it up together with a clip like this, and let it cool off before I brush it out. So now the curls, they're cold. I'm taking it out to brush it through, and then we're done. And voila, the perfect blowout without a blow dryer with Magic Style Brush Pro.